Question number 5. Let A equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 5 illa. Okay, paathukonga. R be the relation of A defined by A, B belonging to A and B is exactly divisible by A. Okay, in the words English it is very very important. It might be a little confusing. Divisible, divided, divisor, dividend, in the mari similar words nariya irukku. So you have to be very very careful when you are dealing with relations. X and Y coordinates cannot be mixed up or mismatched. Correct? So you have to understand the meaning properly. Okay, so what are the elements of A? A to A is the relation. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, இப்போ divisible by A. B is exactly divisible by A na. B is divisible by A. It means A divides B. இதுதான meaning. B is divisible. It can be divided. B ஏ divide பண்ணலாம். You can divide B. B is divisible. That is the meaning. So B is divisible by A na. A divides B. So for example, you have 3. B is going to be 3 na. A can be 1 centimeter each. Or it can be 1.5 centimeter each. Correct? So in the mari divide பண்ண முடியுமா? So this is how we are going to see this particular example. Okay. So now I have 1, 1, 1, 2. So 1, 3, 1, 4 and 1, 6. Okay, so when we are talking about the divisibility, R equals 1, 1. 1 can be divided by 1. Correct? 1 divided by 1. Then 1, 2. 2 can be divisible by 1. Correct? 1 is a multiple of 1 is a divisor of any number. Correct? So 1, 2. Then I have 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 6. So 1 is going to be 1 is going to divide each and every number that is in your real number table. So 1 vandu oru magic number. Okay, so you have A divides B, which means these particular examples are going to work. Now I'm going to talk about 2. Okay, so when I write 2, 1, can 1 be divided by 2? No, that is not possible. Only 1, 2 is possible. 2, 1 is not possible. Okay, so you should not write this particular example when you're talking about divisible. So B is divisible by A na enartham. You cannot write 2, 1. 1 is not divisible by 2. 2 is only divisible by 1. Correct? In the logic alla correct purinju eludano. So 2, 1 is not possible. So this is ruled out. Now 2, 2. Yes, 2 is divisible by 2. Then 2, 3. It is not divisible. Then 2, 4. Yes, 4 is divisible by 2. 4 divided by 2 and add 2, it is a natural number. Okay. Now 2, 6. That is also possible. 6 is divisible by 2. அப்படினா 2 divides 6 into 3. Correct? 2 6 வந்து 2 பிரிக்க முடியுமா? 2, 2 and 2. So you can split it into 3 2s. So it is divisible. Okay? Now we are talking about 3. So 3, 1, 3, 2 is not possible. We are talking about 3, 3, which is possible. Then 3, 4 is also not possible. Then we have 3, 6. So 6 is divisible by 3. Okay? Now we are talking about 4. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4. So 4, 4 is possible. 4, 6 is also not possible. When you're talking about 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4 எதுமே possible கிடையாது. 6, 6 is possible. 6 can be divisible by 6 itself. The number can be divisible by the same number itself. Okay, so this is my relation. Be very very careful when you are understanding or interpreting English. English ரொம்ப தெளிவா இருக்கணும். Okay. Question number 6. Determine the domain and range in the relation defined by x, x plus 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So in the relation, so I have the x values to be all these. So I'm going to have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are going to be my x values. Y coordinate and y is going to be x plus 5. So what is my x plus 5? 0 irundaduna, this value is going to be 5. And I have 1, I'll have 6. Then 2 plus 5, 7. 3 plus 5, 8. 4 plus 5, 9. 5 plus 5, 10. Okay, so what is my relation going to be? Relation is going to be, this is my y coordinate. Okay, you see that the x values stop with the number 5. It is not exceeding 5. But these are all my y coordinates. Y coordinate ki endha oru restriction kodukala. They have given restriction only for the x value. Okay, the value of x. So the y coordinate or the value of y, you do not have any restriction. So you can go until the number 10 even though x does not have the numbers until 10. Okay, be very very clear, understand it. Okay, so the relations are going to be 0, 5. So this is going to be your arrow diagram. So this is going to be your arrow diagram and I'm going to do this. 0, 5, 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8, 4, 9, 5, 10. So 0, 5, 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8, 4, 9, and 5, 10. Okay, so what is your domain and range? They are asking for the domain and range. So domain is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is your range? Range is going to be your all permissible values in the y coordinate that are in the relation. Okay, so enna varapodhu 5 curly brackets 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, please copy. Question number 7. Write the relation r equals x comma x cube. X is a prime number less than 10. Okay, so you have to understand one is neither prime nor composite. So your prime numbers start from the number 2. So x oda values enna 2, 3, 4 varadhu, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is not a prime number, then 10, less than 10. So you have the values 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, and we are talking about x and x cube. So x cube na 2 cube is going to be 8, 3 cube is going to be 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 5 cube is going to be 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 7 7s are 49, 49 into 7 is going to be, okay, so this is going to be my arrow diagram. So in the mari values of arrow diagram putta, it is very easy. 2, 8, 327, 5, 125 and 7, 343. So my relation is going to be in the roster form that they are asked is going to be 2, 8, 3, 27, 5, 125, 7, 343. Okay, very, very simple. Please copy. Question number 8. A equals xyz, b equals 1, 2. Find the number of relations from A to B. Number of relations, we just learned number of relations from A to B is equal to, what is it? Number of subsets of A cross B. What are the number of subsets of A cross B? First, number of elements of A is going to be P. Number of elements of B is going to be Q. Number of elements of A cross B is going to be PQ. And number of subsets is going to be 2 to the power of PQ. Okay, this is romba theliva theriyano. Please understand this very, very clearly and properly. Okay, now what is my P? P is going to be 1, 2, 3. I have 3 elements. Then number of elements in B is going to be 1, 2. So I have 2 elements. So what is my P times Q? It is going to be 3 into 2, which is going to be 6. Okay, so the number of relations equals 2 to the power 6, which is going to be, if you want, you can do it. So I have 2 into 2 into 2 times 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 and 8. So 8 8s are 64. Okay, please copy. Question number 9. Let R be the relation on Z. Z na integers defined by R where A comma B. AB belongs to Z integers and A minus B is also an integer. Find the domain and the range of R. Okay, this is very, very simple. So A belongs to integer, B belongs to integer and A minus B also belongs to integer. Abdina enartham, you can have the domain is going to contain all the integers and the range is also going to contain all the integers. Correct? Your relation is going to have, you can also have minus 1, minus 1. You can also have minus 1, minus 2. You can also have 0, 1. You can also have 2, 1. You can also have 1, 0 and so on. So it is going to be all the elements that are, it is going to be so on. So it is going to be, x coordinate is going to be all the integers. So x coordinate na enartham, the domain is going to be all the integers and the range is also going to be all the integers. Okay, because we are talking about integers here. Very, very simple. Please copy. So with this we are done with relations. Okay, relations na they'll give you a relation between x and y. You have to find out whether the particular relation belongs to the set. If a natural number, integers, whole number, real number, in the mari kuduthirukanga, you have to check if they belong to that. Domain is going to be permissible elements of the x coordinate in the relation. Adhe mari range vandu y coordinate. Codomain, when you are talking about codomain, it is going to be the whole of the output. We are not talking about the input at all. Output la ellame, whether it is present in the relation or not, it does not matter. Okay, all the elements of the output. Very, very simple. Okay, let's move on to functions in the next video. Bye.